Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI to get fast answers, create content, and boost your daily productivity. First, let's quickly understand what Grok AI is. Grok is an AI assistant developed by XAI and is designed to give fast, direct answers with a conversational style. One of its biggest strengths is that it focuses on real-time data, making it especially useful for trending topics, news, and quick research. To get started with Grok AI, open the Grok app or access it through the X platform. Log in with your account, and once you're signed in, you'll see a simple chat interface. From here, at the top, you'll notice two main options: Ask and Imagine. The Ask tab is where you can type any question or prompt to get instant answers from Grok. This is the main section you'll use for research, explanations, and quick problem solving. At the bottom, you'll see the Ask Anything input box. This is where you type your question or request. You can ask Grok about current events, technology, business, social media ideas, or anything else you need help with. Grok responds quickly and keeps answers clear and to the point, which makes it perfect for fast information. Next, you'll notice the auto option next to the input area. This allows Grok to automatically choose the best response style for your query. If you want to talk instead of typing, you can tap voice mode or the speak button to ask questions using your voice, which is great for hands-free use and multitasking. On the screen, you'll also see the Try Super Grok button. This gives you access to advanced features, smarter responses, and enhanced performance. If you use Grok regularly for work or content creation, Super Grok can help you get more powerful and refined results. Now, let's talk about content creation. You can use Grok to write captions, short scripts, emails, post ideas, or quick outlines. Just type what you need, for example, write a YouTube video intro, or create Instagram captions, and Grok will generate content instantly. If the response feels short, you can ask it to expand or rewrite it. Grok AI is also great for boosting productivity. You can summarize articles, create to-do lists, plan tasks, or quickly understand complex topics without long explanations. Because Grok focuses on speed and real-time information, it's especially useful for staying updated and saving time. To get the best results, always be clear with your prompts. Tell Grok exactly what you want, such as a tone, length, or purpose. Simple and specific prompts will give you better answers. Now, let's take a quick look at the Imagine tab. When you tap on Imagine, Grok allows you to create and animate visual content. At the top, you'll see the Animate Your Photos option, where you can upload any image from your phone and turn it into an animated visual by tapping Continue. Below that, there's a Create from Template section with ready-made options, like New Year's Eve, Let It Snow, and Add Santa, which let you create festive and social media-ready visuals in just a few taps. At the bottom, you can use the Type to Imagine box or the Speak button to describe what you want to create using text or voice, and Grok will generate visuals based on your prompt. In conclusion, Grok AI is a powerful tool for fast answers, quick content creation, and everyday productivity. Its clean interface, voice features, and real-time focus make it a great AI assistant for both beginners and advanced users. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.